Open Capcut and start a new project. Drag your video clip into the timeline at the bottom. Now, click on the clip to select it. Over on the right panel, you'll see an audio section. Find the volume slider and drag it all the way down to 0. That's it. Sound is muted. Now, if you're on Android or iPhone, it's just as easy. Tap your clip in the timeline, hit volume from the bottom toolbar, and slide it down to 0. Same result, different screen. There's also a second method I really like. Right-click your video clip in the timeline. Select Extract Audio from the menu. This pulls the audio out as its own separate track. Then just click that audio track and press Delete. Sound is completely removed, clean and simple. On mobile, you can do the same thing by tapping the clip and selecting Extract Audio from the bottom menu. Both methods work perfectly. Pick whichever one feels easier for you. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.